Hi Astrid, my name is Tisha. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. I spoke to one of your associates today and just let them know I was going to send over a video in regards to your website and just to show how you're doing in comparison to your competition. I came across your company when I was just doing the research in the area for plumbers and HVAC companies. Now, I do understand that you service several cities and areas. So for this video, I'm just going to be pinpointing Rancho Cordova. So today we'll be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that you can find on the web through your web page. So words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos, anything that is actually on the website. So I do always recommend doing at least 1,500 words. So I do see that you are utilizing that. You do have a lot of content on the website itself. Now, that's really important to do that. So then that way you can include plenty of keywords. So then when someone is Googling, looking for a company that do your services, then they can be led to your website. The next would be citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, or address can be found. This could be through Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, for example, LinkedIn. So we want to make sure that you have a presence online. So I did see that you do have, you are on some of those sites. So then that's a good thing. Now, the last would be backlinks. Now, backlinks are any links that lead back to your website that brings in traffic for you. So this could be something to where you're listed on another company's website. Someone's able to click on it and brings you right back over to you. Now, all backlinks are not made the same or equal. Some are better than others. For example, if you were to have a backlink attached to a restaurant versus attached to a hardware store, then that could bring in different traffic. So I wanted to just show you when I Googled the plumbing and HVAC Rancho Cordova. So the first thing that we're seeing here is an organic search. So this is going to show you where you are as far as when it comes to your competition. So the first thing would be Yelp. And then the first company that comes up would be Bell's Bros HVAC. So let's take a look at their website and let's see what they're doing over here. So, okay, so this is their website. So they do have plenty of content and they are utilizing keywords as well. Okay. So the next thing we'll look at is going to be a website we call that we use SEM Rush. Shows exactly how your website is doing in comparison to your competitors. So I'm showing that with all your domains, you're using 607 keywords. You have about a traffic of about 904 per month. And then this is the traffic that is bringing in. These are some of the keywords that are used. So of course, these are branded. And then it shows here, though, you're number one when it comes to air conditioned Sacramento. So you are utilizing some of these spots you are coming in as number one. So then that's a good thing. The next will be looking at all your domains. So just on your main page, I'm showing you have 67 backlinks. And of course, these are also backlinks that are, domains that are attached to yours. And there's backlinks here as well. Now let's look at Bell's Bros HVAC. Now they're utilizing over 15,000 keywords and they have traffic of about over 12,000 customers per month. And then this is their traffic and the money that it's bringing in. So you can see here, because they're using so many keywords, then they are getting a lot of traffic that's coming to their website. And then last but not least will be the backlinks. This is their main web page. They have over 1,900 web backlinks as well. So they are having a lot of traffic because of that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and were able to take some of these tips. Now you're welcome to use them for yourself. But if you would like to schedule a more in-depth conversation in regards to some of these tips and how it can help your business, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Thank you again for watching my video. I hope you have a good day.